What's good, guys? Hold up 1 second. Wait a minute. No, just get down. Get down. Get down. You cannot know. What are you doing? Anyways, what's up, guys? Steve Action Jackson coming at you live, and so it's I guess it's the fourth. I don't know. It's the 4th of February. You wanna say hi? No, say hi. Say hello. Come say hello. Hello. Anyways, that's my kitten. His name is Mr. Baby, or Messiah, but he doesn't like his name, so he doesn't really respond to it. But anyways, so I want to talk about, um, I guess protein powder myths, because I feel like when it comes to like cooking with protein powder, it's so dumb. Like, it is really, really dumb, because out of like, okay, all of YouTube, right? Like, all of YouTube, Food Network, the whole internet, whatever. You would think that protein powder will be on the same level as like other foods, right? Other foods. So all protein powder is just like powdered food, basically. Um, Now I hate how, like, okay, I'll watch a video, right? Watch a video. In my mind, I could totally pull this off. Like, I've made protein donuts. I've made protein power, or like energy balls, energy energy balls. I've made fucking protein shakes, cookies, protein bars, brownies, cakes. Not even like the mug cakes. I'm talking about like a regular cake with protein powder cake. Uh, what else? I've made a couple of different things. I will tell you right now, like first-hand experience, because out of all the times that I've tried to like mimic and tried to imitate exactly what these people do, like 30 to 40% of the time I'm like spot on and I can make whatever. But I don't know if anyone else is like has experienced this, but tell me if you guys have, comment down below. But tell me, like, I guess if you have, just put I have, or like something like that, um of watching a video, like one of these protein videos on YouTube, or protein powder videos. I don't even know how to ask this, but basically tell me if you've ever like had it like 100% success when, like, I guess gurus cook or bake with protein powder. And the reason why I want to like talk about that is because for some reason, and I don't know if this is like human nature, but we as human beings, because no other animal can really do this, we mimic. We can mimic. And you guys know the saying, monkey see, monkey do. Well, that's human. That's human right there. That's the human thing right there. When people, I don't know, maybe we just depend on other stuff. But whenever people see something, because I know, like, with monkeys or primates or other forms of primates, even more primates, but other forms of, you know, other types of apes and primates and all that, or primates, when they see things, like what other people do, like take my cup of, or my bowl of cereal. This bowl of cereal, this is s'more cereal, right? S'more cereal. You can make a perfect bowl of cereal, right? Milk, cereal, or cereal, milk, fine. Coffee. I don't know what it is about regular foods that we can do it just perfectly fine. But these protein powders, like, protein powders suck at baking. Like, they suck when you bake with them. And I think the effect that it normally has is like it dries the food out. It dries whatever you're trying to bake with it or cook with it. It dries that out. And I've had that so many times where I was like trying to make cookies, and the damn thing is dried out. They're dry, or they come apart way too easy. I've had more there, like, it's not even like cookies. They're more like little cakes. like little puffed up cakes, and they don't even taste like cookies at all. Like they don't taste good. They don't. They're not that great. Um, I feel like whenever I see like a fitness YouTuber, that's what I'm gonna call it, fitness YouTuber. But a fitness YouTuber, like I'm not like your typical fitness person. I'm more of a normal person, just trying to figure out how to do those like the bodybuilding lifestyle without the use of drugs. And so far, I've been successful. I don't have to like worry about my organs failing or my people. By people, I mean my penis. But I don't have to worry about it falling, like shrinking, or my balls shrinking, or anything like that. And I'm happy about that. But at the same time, these protein powders, like I've used protein powder a lot, and I can tell you right now, the only one that I've had success with is, well, so far, is Cytosport. Like I've had success with like muscle milk and the cookies and cream one. I've had success with that one. I had success with the GNC protein powder. The I guess chocolate one. Um it worked. It worked out. I've had success with like the um what is it? Fuck, what is? Let me see. Let me see what protein powders I have, because I have like a couple in here. But oh, BPI, like the BPI one. Oh, I've cooked with the chocolate cookie one, and it. I'll be with you, like the even though chocolate cookie tastes like crap, um, I've cooked with it and I've managed to like be semi-successful with it. Now I don't know what it is about protein powder and drying foods out, but for some reason it has that effect on food. Um, I've made well, I'd make yogurt, but I added protein powder to yogurt. And I'll tell you right now, it sucks. It sucks so much. Because it's like, okay, you mix and you mix and you mix it up and you keep mixing and it doesn't mix all the way. Like you got powder, just little balls of powder inside of the yogurt. And I don't know, like I don't know what it is, because I've seen a lot of people do that where they make like sludge too, or just add protein powder to their like oatmeal or the yogurt or whatever. And I've seen sludge. I've tried making protein sludge. Let me tell you how hard this shit is to make, because it's like you add protein powder in there, right? Add a little water, mix it up. It gets all like slimy-ish. Keep mixing it. Now, you add more water, add it or as much or as low as you want. But the thing that gets me, because I've seen where people add like extra stuff into it, and I've seen when people add like just the water and the protein powder and mix it up, put it in a bowl, and it's weird because it's like that's one, like just like with yogurt, it sometimes it doesn't even mix that well, and it sucks. It really does. Um, Now I'm not trying to like say every fitness YouTuber is ridiculous, but I will say this: pretty much almost all of them are. And well, not all of them, just the ones that like you cook and you think that you could. Well, let me rephrase that. The ones that like make it look easy, basically. So say you like watch a video on YouTube and they're making like protein snacks, like cookies, and I kid you not, you do it to a T. Like every step, every fucking ingredient, you put in there, you mix it up, mix it really well, and you put it into like the I don't know, the microwave or the oven or whatever, and it comes out crappy. It comes out crappy, and I hate it. I'm over here trying to figure out what the fuck I'm doing wrong. And that's just it. We're not doing anything wrong. I don't think anyone's doing anything wrong. It's just they make it look like this food right here it's good for snacking on. It's not. And I'll be real with you guys. I've tried so many snacks where I think the store-bought ones are way better than the crap that they try to put out. But yeah. that's what I want to talk about today, guys, or this morning. It's like 6:55 right now, but my cereal's all soggy now. I bought this s'more cereal. I'll tell you guys about this, but I bought this s'more cereal, and I thought it was like gonna be the greatest cereal ever. It's s'mores. What could they mess up? This is not s'mores cereal. This is not s'mores. Like there's nothing s'mores about them. Maybe like the little stupid marshmallows. I don't like marshmallows, but I opened the box and I finished it, thankfully. But it, it was one of those cereals I didn't have T- TSP or yeah TSP in it, which is paint thinner. So try sodium phosphate. If you happen to see those in your cereal, just know it's not good. It's not good for you. But I don't know why the FDA doesn't regulate it. So but yeah, I bought this cereal thinking it was gonna be great. It's not. It doesn't taste anything like stupid s'mores. I haven't had s'mores in a couple years, but I can tell you right now, this is not s'mores. Um, but I will tell you guys another thing. So I'll tell you guys about the first time almost messed up a microwave trying to basically cook a protein brownie. Now, um, I was at work. I was still working at Wendy's at the time, and basically, I had all the ingredients inside of a little baggie. So I had protein powder, I had the egg white in one baggie, um, some other stuff. I think I had like baking powder in there too, and like a little bit of stevia or something. That's another thing. Stevia. These people have no idea how to cook. Don't use stevia if you want to like save yourself some trouble. Just use fucking sugar. Fuck it. Why not? You know, you're making something that probably is trying to mimic a really good food, but it ain't the same without regular sugar or like brown sugar, even sugar in the raw for that matter. But yeah, like I pretty much like almost fucked up the microwave at work, and I'm gonna tell you guys this because I couldn't tell my manager this. I didn't want her to get mad at me, and I didn't want to break her heart knowing that the microwave was my fault. But so basically, I mixed all these ingredients up in a little, like one of the chili bowls, like a 16-ounce chili bowl, and I put it in the microwave. I'll never forget the reaction I got out of this little bowl. So I put it into the microwave and I put it on for a good 45 seconds. Um, when I tell you guys the pop sound I heard come out of this microwave, and I seen a spark. I have never opened a door so fast before. But basically, what happened is the the little there wasn't a lid on it. There was not a lid on the little chili bowl. But I put it. I could honestly say I almost blew up a microwave at Wendy's, and it would totally be legit, totally be legit. But basically, so the little brownie thing or cake or whatever the fuck I was making, this thing blew up in the microwave. Like the cup blew up, the little brownie thing blew up 45 seconds. That's all it took to blow up, completely blow up everywhere inside the microwave. And then I saw a spark. Now, I immediately opened the door and I was so scared because my manager wasn't in. She wasn't inside of the restaurant at the time. She was on her break, so she was somewhere outside. But yeah, it was a bad experience. Like I honestly, like I don't like protein powder like that, not in the least. Just because it's really hard to cook with it. It's really hard to cook with it, and you got to be like real. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. But anyways, oh, another thing I want to tell you guys, I've had two microwave disasters besides that. One of them was with a sweet potato. I have no idea why a sweet potato inside of a bowl of water would blow like light on fire, but that's what happened in my old microwave. Um, basically I like had a sweet potato, I peeled it, and I was gonna cook it. So I peeled it, rinsed it off, and then I started poking with a fork. I put it in a bowl of water, and then put the bowl inside of the microwave for 6 minutes, because we know sweet potatoes they suck at cooking. But I put it in there, and then I heard sizzling sounds first, and then I heard like popping sounds. And I'm thinking, okay, sweet potatoes don't make that sound. I looked into the microwave and it was on fire. The damn sweet potato inside a bowl of water was on fire. Like, it was literally submerged in water. It was on fire. I've never been so scared of food before in my life. So that happened. I almost destroyed my microwave. Now, second or third incident I had with protein foods was I cooked a Lenny and Larry cookie, or heated it up in the microwave. Only thing is, I didn't know the little wrapper thingy. I didn't know it was made of aluminum or foil or whatever. So I opened it. No, I didn't. I put it on like a little Wendy's salad bowl, because I was still at Wendy's at the time. But I put it inside a salad bowl, and it was still in the wrapper. I didn't know. I had no idea. I thought it was like supposed to be like plastic or something like that. No. Well, I put it on for 10 seconds because I didn't know how long to heat up for. And then I was like, no, I'm not going to put it on for that long. I'm putting it on a little longer. So I put it on for 30 seconds. When I started the microwave, this shit started to spark so much, and the what I saw was like the craziest shit ever. So first, the wrapper shrunk. It shrunk around the cookie. I had no idea why it did that. At first I was thinking, okay, that's a little weird, like it shouldn't have did that. I didn't know if you put aluminum or foil inside of a microwave that's what would happen. I had no idea that's what would happen. So I started doing some research after that, because I like literally shorted out the damn microwave at work. I started looking around on YouTube, and I found out why. If you ever microwave a chip bag, like a Cheetos bag or any kind of bag like that, it's gonna shrink, and it's basically the air is being burned out of it. Just burned out. Totally burned out. All the oxygen burned out. So yeah, that happened too. I almost blew up a microwave. I shorted out a microwave. Almost shorted out my microwave, but also almost lit on fire. So I've had a couple of protein food incidences. So basically the moral of these stories is, when you're using protein powder, just drink it. Like, I know sometimes it's like you want to make different stuff with it, because I know I do all the time, but I gave up a whole like protein cookies and this like stuff like that, because it's kind of dumb. It's dumb when you can't, like, they make it look so easy, but then when you try it, it's so hard. Like, it doesn't come out the same. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. That's style talk about that. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video. Probably like protein accidents, protein powder, cooking accidents, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I'm out, guys. I'm David Action Jackson, coming at you live. I hope you guys like this video. Also, if you could do me a favor and subscribe, it would really help out my channel grow. Be sure to check out my other videos too. I don't know if I'll be able to link them down in the description box, or not really the description, but like in the videos, if I happen to do so. There's gonna be like a little link to like one of my other videos, and then the subscribe thing is gonna be like somewhere near my cereal. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. I'm out.